Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Honda Ridgeline. This is the Black Edition. And give that a listen. I like the Ridgelines, very thought out. Oh, and these LED headlights don't flicker to the human eye. It's just the refresh rate of the camera that makes them look like that. This one does have painted alloy wheels. Has the tow package. Also has a spare tire in the trunk under the truck bed. Is that power sliding back window. This is also an all-wheel drive. Okay, go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. See, it does have black leather seats with red pinholes. This one does have a sunroof. I didn't show that to you, but it's really cold out today, so I'm not going to open it up. Okay, come down here. Here's your econ, your blind spot, all that kind of fun stuff. Come over here, you see that it has 28,444 miles on this vehicle. It does have a heated steering wheel. There's your push to talk and your other toggles for your trip computer and stereo right there. See that? Come over here. Here is your stereo. We'll go ahead and turn this down for the purposes of this video. See that you have navigation. So very big screen. If we jump to audio and show you the source, AM, FM, Sirius XM, and auxiliary and Bluetooth. Okay, there's your truck bed audio. Again, a very well thought out vehicle. All right. So we'll go ahead and come down here. You'll see that it has heated seats in the front. It also has your climate controls for either side of the vehicle. Then you come down here, you'll have additional power outlets, your key fob, you have your shifter, terrain selector, and your cup holders. Additional power supplies down in here, and this additional stowage. And that about wraps it up for this Ridgeline. It does have a branded title. Had front end damage from this quarter panel, and a little bit on that driver's side door. The airbag did deploy, but there was no structural damage, so we were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.